S-H-I-T. This right here is where I turned on the siren. And that there's the tripod of where I set up the tripod to film the siren. Oh, there's a bunch of mosquitoes swarming me. Good thing I sprayed myself. There's a piece. Might as well just pick up these pieces. Here's a piece. I wonder if I could pick up every single piece and just, you know, put it back together this way. Here's a piece of the chopper. Here's a few pieces here. Here's another piece. Another piece. Oop, here's a piece of screen. Oop, here's a piece with screws in it. I'm pretty sure I should just pull out those screws. I should show you the siren that looks like most of it is still reusable. Oop. There's just one little piece right here. Some of it went in the fire pit. I should pull some of the pieces out because it's, oh, there's a piece right there. And another piece. Another piece. I'll just start putting them on this table. What a catastrophe. It feels like the stator parts are more intact than the chopper parts. I remember some parts flying over here. Oh. Found a... Oh, this is the tight fit ring. The ring that goes on the bottom of the chopper to tightly fit onto the drum of the motor. Oop, here's a piece of... Get away, mosquitoes. Yeah. I'm gonna try and reprint this siren again in PETG Pro in clear color this time. Just so it has a really low tendency to blow up like this again. I was sort of thinking about printing this siren in PETG, but I decided to try out polycarbonate, and polycarbonate basically just destroyed hell of work. Yeah, I went through literal hell in order to put this siren together. Literal hell. And look at what it got. I went through literal hell just for another hell of cleaning up the mess. Yeah. What the hell? So many small pieces. It's probably going to be hard for a blind person to clean this up. Good thing I have the best eyesight in the family, since most of my family wears glasses and tends to have blurry vision. Might lose my vision in my 20s or 30s. Heck, I'm already in my 20s. I turned like 20, 22 days ago. And this is what happens to good people that so much stuff in my pocket. Wow. All that hell just for this mess. Yeah. That I have to clean up. Is there anything else in... Did any parts and pieces go all the way up there? Oh, great! Some bird just on Jensen. Urgh. First it was the Model 2.5 exploding, and now a bird just on Jensen. I'm gonna barbecue that bird.